A Spanish study shows that consuming 60 grams a day of walnuts, hazelnuts, and almonds improves male sexual function. Eating nuts daily improves male sexual function, according to a study conducted by researchers from the Biomedical Research Center in Network Physiopathology of Obesity and Nutrition, CIBIROB, belonging to the Human Nutrition Unit of the Rovira I Virgili University, Tarragona. The results were recently published in the scientific journal Nutrients. Which nuts showed these results? With hazelnuts, walnuts, and almonds, points out the author of this study, designed within the framework of the FertNuts project, created to evaluate the effects of habitual nut consumption on semen quality. How much to consume? You should consume 30 grams of walnuts, 15 grams of almonds, and 15 grams of hazelnuts daily at any time, and the results will surprise you by increasing the potency of erections. In addition to finding that daily nut consumption improved orgasm and sexual desire, a previous study had demonstrated an improvement in sperm quality.